Hi guys, today I want to install Halo Infinite for free. Step 1, open the browser. After I take you a link for install Halo Infinite for free in the description on YouTube video. This is my Pinterest how this my Pinterest page. Please take a comment please to support me. After you click in the add link. After you click on a rectangle to close, don't worry guys, it's not a virus. To close, we take a first page, click verify, wait please 9 seconds. After we click continue, get another link, wait 10 seconds please. It's the last one of waiting. Sorry guys. After you wait 5 seconds. After you take care, after you close, take care. After you close, here. After you close, after you click here, close, click here, close. This again. After you click here, close, click here, close, click here. This is the now